Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. I'm Marie Eriksson and I'm excited to show you how to make the Shimmer Chandelier Earrings. These are super sparkly, they have lots of movement, and you can actually make these in silver as well. They're great for a party and they're real easy to put together. So let's get started. To make these earrings, you will need 6 of the 16mm light Colorado Topaz Shimmer Swarovski crystal teardrop pendants. You will need a pair of the brass teardrop filigree chandelier components, 6 precious metal gold-filled 18-gauge open jump rings, and a pair of the precious metal French ear wires. So to get started, we will be adding the shimmer drops to the bottom of our chandelier component. And I want everyone to notice that the chandelier does have a front and a back side. So when we're adding our crystals, we want to make sure the shimmer side of our crystal is facing the front side of our chandelier component. I am going to be using 2 chain nose pliers. Those are the only tools we'll need for these simple earrings. And even though the earrings are really simple to make, they are super fun and sparkly when they're done and can really be used on a night out, at a party, whatever you're feeling. And as you can see, I'm really using my chain nose most of the time. So I'm going to close them up. Okay. Make sure I have the front and the front correct. I do. Grab another jump ring, open that up. I'm skipping some, going down to this middle hole here, putting on my drop. You always want to be a little careful working with Swarovski crystal and tools because you want to make sure you don't ever crack your crystal. Getting one more jump ring. Chain nose are so good to open jump rings with. Go. Make sure I've got the shimmer side up. Slip that on. Close that up. Whoop. Okay, now all I have to do is attach my ear wire to the top. Going to open it to the side so you don't destroy the loop. Slip that on. Close that back up. And we are done with our chandelier shimmer earrings. There we go. And you can find all of this and more at fusionbeads.com.